In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the alignment and proximity assignment. So first thing we want to do is type in our name. So on this slide, what we want each of these to appear on a mouse click. So we'll open up our animation pane. We'll select each, holding down the shift key, do fade, and then we will play selected. So that is done. Next what we want to do is we want to select images again, do fade, set it to mouse click, this one and this one. We want to add another animation, which is going to be a fade out. We'll set those with previous, and then we move those like so. And that covers that slide. With this one, we want to select the text, do fade, on a click, select this one, add transparency, effect options, 75, with previous, then move them up. So now when we play it, comes in as animation. The importance of using this transparency by setting a percentage is it works with whatever text you're going to be using. So if you have black text, you have purple text, it will do it by a percentage as opposed to having to pick a particular color. With this one, what we want to do is select shift, scale the picture down to about where we want it to be. So we want it to be about there. We will resize the text. We can make that image a little bit bigger. Now when we do the regular alignment, if we did it by top, you'll see that it looks like it's a little bit off because it's aligning the top of the text box. So what we probably want to do is we want to shift it down a little bit to eyeball it so you have a nice line going across there. Next thing we want to do is we want to select this text and that image, go back to animations, do fade, and then move that there. And now what we have is we have everything coming in the way we want it to. With this slide, let's move these labels a bit out of the way. Move images up. The order does not matter. Select each of them, hold down the shift key, scale them down a little bit so they fit a little bit better on the slide. We want to go back to our home, arrange. So let's align to the bottom, and then we can additionally distribute horizontally to make sure there's equal spacing. So this is going to be 2. This is going to be 3. This is going to be 1. Select those, center. 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 Next we want to do is we want to align each of these to make sure they're on the same line. So we'll align to the bottom. And then we can eyeball it and move it up a little bit so we have some good relationships here. This one we want to add smart art, so we can click on insert smart art graphic, and let's do this one right here. We'll do text, text, text. Select that, change the colors. Let's use this color scheme, and let's apply style. So that is how you complete that alignment and proximity assignment. The purpose of this assignment was to teach you alignment and proximity and also prepare you for your individual and your team projects where you're going to need to be implementing and using alignment and proximity.